What would you be willing to pay for the strategic insights of a $4 million e-commerce business? 10K? 20K? Well, honestly, you don't have to. For the first time ever, you can get the insights of 3 stores with over $6.7 million in sales. So with these stores, we've built some of the most powerful e-commerce booster kits on the planet. So since the golden era of e-commerce, things have gotten exponentially more competitive. That means new store owners have to work harder than they ever have had to work before to start generating stable and consistent revenue, and experienced store owners are struggling to keep up with or beat their competition. We want to level the playing field with the insights you need to become a big player in the e-comm space, so you can dive deep into the strategies that industry leaders are using right now to generate massive profits by doing the same. We've compiled the biggest game changers on the internet, so you'll be able to learn the most powerful revenue generating strategies used by the top 1% of e-commerce businesses, and then just copy them to your own store. Unlock your store's potential with CrowdSuite Enterprise. Look, in the world of e-commerce knowledge, we all know that it is power. We give you the knowledge to increase your sales in a couple of weeks. You study our groundbreaking $4 million review funnel with over $2 million in profit, or get ideas from a $265,000 dropshipping store. Our enterprise insights come complete with everything that you ever wanted. All the information you ever needed to take your business to the next level. All the data and ad campaigns, products, funnels, insights, all of that. Over 1,200 stores are already using this for insights to generate more conversions than ever before. So do not miss out on our exclusive offer and save up to 90%. Become a store owner in the top 1% now. Click the link below and we'll see you on the inside.